asking question, you answer it me, okay?
I'm not only through reading. I'm reading, not by heart.
Not by heart.
Yeah, but
For what purpose are you reading in this book?
no, 2 times, 3 times. If we read, then we will know. Yeah, 1 time only.
Only one time. Only one time you know that
I
sometime.
know little song.
No, little. One person I'm asking one question.
If you say that time, I follow up. Then
Okay,
I will
now
know.
the
Yeah.
common
Okay,
idea in
the
the
common
Indian
idea of
philosophy.
Indian philosophy.
What is the Indian idea of the Indian philosophy?
You also join DC Prime Minister.
No, no, I
okay?
don't need to Prime Minister this.
Film myself.
You now my life is beautiful.
You also read Bible. Okay.
Now school now it is customary to divide who is the Prime Minister of India.
Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister Modi ji, Gujarat. Modi ji is.
What is the
Gujarat.
issue?